Hi, honey. We're going to show them that you know how to eat now? Yeah? We're going to show them? Okay, come on. Oh, yeah, good boy. You can eat it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Okay, that's not a good one. Keep going. You're doing a good job, honey. That wasn't our best swallow. It's still all there. It's still all there, isn't it? You silly boy. Yeah, you are. You silly. Oh. Well, that wasn't our best bite. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? Come on. Ah. Oh. Oh, what do you think? Still learning. We're getting there. We're on day 4. This is our fourth try. Yeah? Noah. Playing airplane. We're playing airplane. Okay, come on. Oh, oh. Okay. It's kind of hard to do a camera and... I don't know how you like this stuff. Okay. And one more bite for the camera. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. You're having too much fun. You're too much fun. Oh, you were ready for another bite, weren't you? Okay, here. Oh, let's get in there, Mom. Okay. Tell me, what do you think? Rice cereal. Mmm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. You did good. You're doing so good. Mama's so proud of you. So proud. All right. Tell the camera, I love you and goodbye. Noah. Okay, that's him saying I love you. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.